Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating history, intricate design, and modern-day value of the 1,955 francs 100 franc coin. If you love coin collecting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more numismatic content. Let's get started. The 1,955 francs 100 franc coin was minted during a crucial period in France's history. Post-World War II, France was in a period of economic recovery, with the government implementing various financial and monetary reforms to stabilize the country. The introduction of this coin was part of the Fourth Republic's monetary system, designed to reflect France's resilience and economic revival before the transition to the Nouveau Franc, New Franc, in 1960. The design of this coin holds significant historical value. The obverse features the iconic image of Marianne, the national symbol of the French Republic, representing liberty and reason. She is depicted wearing a Phrygian cap, a classic emblem of freedom which has been associated with revolutionary France since the late 18th century. This powerful imagery was meant to instill a sense of patriotism and national identity. The reverse of the coin showcases an elegant engraving of an olive branch, symbolizing peace and prosperity, alongside the denomination 100 francs and the year 1955. Encircling these elements is the national motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, meaning liberty, equality, fraternity. This motto has been a core value of the French Revolution since the French Revolution, reinforcing the ideals of democracy and unity among the people. Now let's discuss the specifications of this remarkable coin. It is composed of aluminium, bronze, an alloy consisting of 92% copper, 6% aluminium, and 2% nickel. This combination provides the coin with durability, while giving it a distinct golden hue. The coin has a weight of 6.5 grams, a diameter of 27 mm, and features a reeded edge, making it easily distinguishable from other denominations of the time. With a mintage of approximately 20 million pieces in 1955, this coin was widely circulated, making it an essential part of daily transactions in mid-20th century France. Despite its once common usage, finding well-preserved specimens today can be quite challenging. The value of the 1,955 francs 100 franc coin varies depending on factors such as condition, rarity, and collector demand. Coins that have been circulated and exhibit noticeable wear typically fall within the $5 to $15 USD range. However, those in better condition with minimal wear, graded as uncirculated, MS60 and above, can be valued anywhere from $50 to $150 USD. High-grade specimens, particularly those with full mint luster and sharp details, have been known to fetch up to $250 or more in auctions. Collectors highly seek after coins with strong eye appeal, making well-preserved examples particularly desirable. Over time, the demand for vintage European coins has steadily grown, and the 1,955 franc 100 franc coin is no exception. Its historical significance, beautiful design, and limited availability in higher grades make it an excellent addition to any numismatic collection. Whether you're a beginner collector or an experienced numismatist, owning a piece like this offers both historical appreciation and potential investment value. Do you have a 1,955 franc 100 franc coin in your collection? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.